this episode we see dolphins and show you more about our boat. We love dolphins next to our boat. Boat is called Opal. It's a 28 foot and we've got lots of, three sails.
Hey Blake, do you want to show us all around?
Yeah, why not? So, over here's our kayak. That's my favorite. And I call it Racer. Because it's so fun. Not many people would choose that name, but I like it. And there's our dinghy called Skippy. And then down here is the hatch. Here's our anchor chain.
Yeah, what sort of anchor we got?
A rock.
Rock, nah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is our new chain.
Yeah.
And then we also have our old
Yeah.
chain.
We've got an old chain connected to a new chain. And then rope.
Yeah. So this one's this is the tiller.
Yeah.
Then we've got the rudder down there.
Yeah. Life buoy.
Yeah. And then the rock, the yam free.
Yamaha. Yeah, we've got a little backboard down here.
Yeah.
And where can you jump off the boat?
Over here.
Yeah. Whoa, hey Toby.
If I would jump off the boat now. If I had
And you can climb over here, eh? But
Yeah.
you won't because you don't have a life jacket on.
Yeah. Right, and here is, and see, look on here. That's and where Mum and Dad's bedroom is.
Yeah.
And that's where the toilet is.
Yeah.
And that's where all of us can sit and eat.
And where are the treats normally?
In there. One there. And these are just for getting dinner and putting the teapot on.
And Toby, tell us your favourite thing to do when we're sailing.
Well, my favourite thing to do is go into Daddy when you're driving the boat.
Blake, what's your favourite thing to do inside?
My favourite thing is to sleep. Since I sleep almost all the time.
And show me where you sleep.
I sleep on this bit of couch.
Yeah.
Because
When we're sailing, you sleep
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
But where do you sleep at night?
I sleep in here. I don't sleep in. I don't. Yeah, I know that. I don't sleep over here where my brother is because here is the fridge. Can you move over? Yeah. See, that's right there.
Alright, and Toby, do you want to show me where you sleep?
Well, I sleep right over there, and
Okay.
at night I just sleep right over there.
Right over
Where
here?
the radio is.
Yeah, and
See
here.
that little radio? See that little radio?
Oh, yeah. And you got the fishing rods.
I hope everyone likes our boat, yeah. On the way to Kawau, we saw dolphins.
Hold on tight, Blakey.
We saw these common dolphins swimming by our boat, catching the waves, and there was a baby one.
Yeah, and they were swimming with us for half an hour, weren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, that's up the front! Whoa!
They're called common dolphins because they're seen all around the world, and there's 10,000 of them in New Zealand.
And the little baby one! Look, just there! Look, look!
Common dolphins can weigh up to 200 kgs.
Whoa, they're catching a rock!
And can be 3 meters long. They have V-shaped patterns and colourful stripes.
Oh, I want to touch one! Oh, he's touching it! Hey, he's rubbing his tummy on our boat! So cool,
That is amazing. What are you guys doing?
Seeing like a
Dolphin! Dolphin! Where did it go?
Ah, my feet got weird.
It's gonna go. Here we get out.
Next episode we go to Kawau and see wallabies. We're trying to see some wallabies.
Yeah.
I hope we will.
Do you think we will?
I think we might see it on the path.
Yeah.
Oh, I see one. If you like sailing, kids, please subscribe.